This is the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, IMC for short, February 2003. It's a 1-hour paper. Calculators and measuring instruments are forbidden, so no ruler. However, for what we're doing as in practicing, you are welcome to use things like scissors and paper to be able to model the answers if that's helpful. You'll see today we're going to be using a net of a cube and also some pieces of paper. Obviously, it's more difficult to do that in the test. 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer to questions 1 to 15. 6 marks are awarded for each correct answer to questions 16 to 25. Each incorrect answer to questions 16 to 20 loses 1 mark. Each incorrect answer to questions 21 to 25 loses 2 marks. However, for the purposes of practice, I don't use the negative marks. You can if you want to find out your actual mark. I'm more interested in you answering as many of these 16s to 25 as you possibly can. I think it gives more confidence for the actual test, and it gives you the opportunity to try and it's okay to fail. It's okay to get them wrong. Some of these questions are really hard. So I ignore these. When we get to the actual challenge itself, when you're doing it for real, we will talk about exam challenge technique and the questions to choose to do and the questions not to choose to do. Okay, let's get started. Question 1. What is the value of 3 divided by a half? Fractions, remembering that 3 is a fraction, if that's helpful to you. Remembering when you divide a fraction, you multiply it by the reciprocal.